So let's begin with the pathology of the thyroid gland. So the first one is hyperthyroidism. So as the name suggests, we know that hyper, that means there is excess of T3 and the T4 levels. Now, the main causes of hyperthyroidism are Graves' disease, toxic multinodular goiter, and toxic adenoma. But the other causes can be any tumor in the thyroid gland, which can cause an increase in these hormones, or if there is any abnormality for the regulation of these hormones like the TSH, TRH. So, the abnormality can be in the anterior pituitary or the hypothalamus. There can be some tumor in them. There can be congenital hyperthyroidism, which is nothing but it has been passed on from the mother to the newborn. There is also a phenomenon called the Jod-Basedow phenomenon, which is nothing but it is caused by the excessive doses of thyroid hormones or iodine. Now, the clinical features of hyperthyroidism. So, these can be known to us if we know the normal physiological effects of the thyroid hormones. So, here if we see, so the person can have sweating, or there is no heat tolerance, that is heat intolerance, or there are warm moist palms. All these are because there is total increase in the BMR, and thus it produces increase in the heat in the overall body. The person cannot tolerate heat at all, and the person usually has warm, moist, and very flushed skin. Now, there can be enlargement in the thyroid gland at times. If we consider CVS, there is increase in the heartbeat, that is tachycardia. There can be cardiomegaly. All this is because there is increase in the force of contraction. Now, the person can have nervousness, irritability, difficulty in sleeping. All this is because it causes increase in the excitation of the neurons present in the brain, and thus all these can happen. If we consider the reproductive system, there can be menstrual disturbances, there can be infertility. The muscular system, so it can cause muscle weakness or tremors of the fingers. The person usually has overall weight loss in spite of having a very good appetite, and all this is because of the increased BMR. Now, if we consider the GI system, there is frequent bowel movements, there is increase in the motility, so basically it causes diarrhea. There are also bulging eyes or the exophthalmos. This is a very common feature in the Graves' disease. We will deal with it later under Graves' disease. The person can also see hair loss. There is also softening of the nails. So these are the common symptoms of hyperthyroidism.